For the probability distribution, X is a binomial with 15 trials and probability of success 0.3. We want to find the following. Now, if X is a binomial with n trials and probability of success P, the mass function is that the probability that X is equal to X is NCX P to the power X Q to the N minus X, where Q is equal to 1 minus P, the probability of failure. For our particular one, the probability that X is going to be 15CX P to the X Q to the 15 minus X. So the probability of X being 0 is going to be 15C0 times 0.3 to the 0 times 0.7 to the power 15. And 15C0 is 1, and so is 0.3 to the 0. So this is just 0.7 to the power 15, which is 0.0047. Correct to 4 decimal places. Probability X is 5 is going to be 15C5 times 0.3 to the 5 times 0.7 to the 10. So we can calculate that. So 15, choose 5, multiplied by 0.3 to the power 5, multiplied by 0.7 to the power 10, and that's 0.2061. Again, to 4 decimal places. Now for X greater than or equal to 1, we could certainly work out the probability X is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to do them all separately, all the way up to 15. And the best way to do this is to do 1 take away the probability that X is 0. So that is going to be 1 take away 0.0047. And so 1 take away 0.0047, and that's 0.9953. And don't forget, we can do that last one because we know that the sum of all of the probabilities is 1. So we just did 1 take away the one case that we didn't want.